Did you know that only half of the world's people are able to use the internet regularly? That means almost 4 billion people cannot access important online services. Sustainable Development Goal 9 is about industry, innovation, and infrastructure. An important part of this goal is reliable access to the internet for all people. There are several reasons why so many people cannot use the internet. The first is cost. In many places, the cost of devices, electricity, and data are too high for regular people to pay. Another reason is that there is not enough training and education about how to use computers. Finally, the information on the internet is often not available in local languages. It is very hard to share ideas and develop new technologies without the internet. We might think that the internet is only for shopping and watching funny videos, but it's much more than that. The internet can improve education, health, and welfare for people living in the poorest parts of the world.